Hello and welcome back to DaveTech. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use Stick browser on Firestick.
Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick, or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video.
Let's get started. So you need to identify the Stick browser app. Here it is. Click on it and then it loads up. I'll be navigating back to home to show you aspects of the browser. If you look at this left panel, the first thing you can see is the search bar. So searching will just bring you to this search bar where you go enter the URL for any website you want to visit, search for any keyword, and use it like a normal browser. So it's a very simple browser, easy to use as silk, smooth as silk. You know what I mean? So just click on this and type anything. If I want to just type uh, D, let's say dear, and then go. So that is going to launch a search for that keyword, and then you see the results for the search. So it's a normal browser. You could use it to browse and surf the internet on the Fire Stick. So when you're done, you could just exit here. You can use the back button to exit. You will go back. You go back home with this icon. So I'll show you on this page. You can see the most visited sites. I've not been using it too long. The only websites I've visited are the one we just saw and applink.store. If you look at bookmarks, anything your bookmark will be found here. The trending options will also be here. So trending videos and feed that is produced by Microsoft will be shown here. Options allow you to see the history and to be able to clear data and clear the history. You can also see the peak row. So maybe last visited, you want last visited to show up, most visited, bookmarks, all of this be sent to your home screen. If you don't want it to be sent to your home screen, I want your home screen to be cleaner, you can just click out of there with back. You can see the browsing history here. You can clear the history or continue without clearing the history. But that's a full browsing history of this device. You can adjust cursor speed, calibrate the size of the screen, and even access the in-depth settings where you could work on the pairing, password manager, privacy and settings, all of this good stuff in parental controls. So everything is loaded up here. You just need to take your time to go through it. But navigating and using the key functions is quite simple on the Silk browser. That's it for this tutorial. Navigate the app. I know you like it. Like the video if you found it useful, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. This is DaveTech signing out.